So I'm going to lay everything out as per the van. Brackets all laid out now as per the van layout, so that's the front of the van. So now I'm going to put all the bolts and everything and just piece these brackets together now, going by the map there. This is where the first bracket is going in. I'm putting it in two halves. Now I had to pop this plastic cap. There, you can see it there. I had to pop this plastic cap. Comes off easy with a screwdriver. Then it just sits. I've left it loose like so, and then that piece sits there facing outwards. Look. Okay, it's been a little bit of fiddling. What I will say is really double check the numbers on these brackets here, because they're the ones that's key. Now what I've done is it's all finger tight. Obviously that piece has gone in there. I've put a spring washer on there as well because there's none of them provided, and with them not being locking nuts I wanted a spring washer on there. That top piece, there's a piece of wire goes through there, which they have provided, but I'm just going to put a spring washer on that one as well. It took a bit of figuring out because I was trying to look, you can see there's a hole there, because I was trying to match it up straight, but it goes at a slight angle, which you'll see when I come outside the van. According to this, it's the two holes which are the lower ones, so I've done that, and as you can see, it does feel like it could take some weight, obviously once it's all nipped up. I'll just quickly show you. Squirm. Right there, you can see it's just at a very slight angle, but that doesn't matter because it's rails, and you can obviously put the bolt, it's a square bolt that fits through the top and the thread drops through there, and vice versa, so you can have them just slightly like that, so it's not a drama. So just reiterating here, where you can see there it says 95.3, so obviously when you look at your bracket there, look, 95.3. And I don't mind admitting I made the mistake. I looked at that and it said 95.5, but I didn't look at that piece. I just looked and thought, oh, it's the smaller bracket, and started piecing it together. But obviously those few millimeters make the big difference. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Make sure all your numbers here to marry up to where these are all going. So that's what the middle bracket looks like with the bolts through it. Obviously just finger tight. So we'll go offer these up, and these are the bolts that it says I have to fit to the frame, but I've added a spring washer to these, but I'm just going to finger tight them again. Okay, first test now, just to how the brackets are on. Just to offer it up and just see how it sits. That's good. And then I think what I'll do now, I'll feed some of these square bolts, and they sit into the grooves here. So if you rest that down, you can see that these slide in to there, like so. Slide them down to the middle there. May as well put them all in there. Like so. I'll go get the other four. Get these in. Right. So I'm guessing I will just put that on there like so. And then I'll get underneath and just line them up. Like so. There we go. There that one. There we go. That's them. So all I'm going to do is slide them down so they're into position, then I'll just lift that up and just pop them into position like so. There we are. And that's them. Sorry, bad filming. There you go, you can see they're through there now. And then just feed that first bolt in. Same with that one. There we go. There. Okay, so that's that, and I'll do the same up the other end as well now. Once you've got it into position, and you're sort of happy with the angle, everything about it, then go in and tighten this onto the bracket like so. There we go. And just work your way down. Underneath now, I'm going to start going along and tightening everything up there. Most of it seems to be 13mm, but I'll just double check. That's made a hell of a difference now. Okay, these here I'm just going to nip up, spanner that side, bolt, socket that side. Same with that one, but I can't do it holding the camera, so. And then obviously that will become rigid then. So I'm going to do the centerpiece first. I'm using an extension for a 13mm for this one. There, see that? Same as last time, these brackets went on really easy because I know what I'm doing now. So again, slide these in. Roughly where they belong. And then do the same at the other end when you're ready. Offer it up to the front, sorry, to the middle. Once you're into the middle one, like so, then you can work with the others. Nice little check. Yeah. So just needs pushing along. There we go. Let's see. So all I'll do now is I'll just put a couple of bolts on there. Yeah, and just push that into there and then move this down. There we are. So we get it into position so it looks right. So I'm just going to check with where that starts here. So I measured it with the screwdriver. So There we go. That's it, so I'll get this tightened up now. Just tighten up all the bracket bolts now. There you can see the bolts there, and basically just start working them tight. That's a 10mm. Yeah, so just work around, tighten that one up there, and then nip that one, but just keep shaping this. I'm happy with where this is now. So there we go, that's the second one on. Didn't take half as long. Once you know what you're doing, you just fly through it. Made all the adjustments, pushed it up nice and tight, made sure that was as far back as the other one was on the other side, and everything is secure, all the bolts, everything you can see underneath there, all the brackets and everything, all tidy, all tightened up and everything. And as well as it being cosmetic, and it's not like a heavy duty step, you know, but as well as it being cosmetic, I imagine it will actually keep, you know, the dirt from going up the side of the van. So there we go. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching, and that's another job jobbed.